Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? I hope you will be fine and enjoying your life. You are once again with Mudassir, English with Mudassir. In the previous lecture, I talked about what are the contents of level 2nd. In today's lecture, I will be talking about what is active and passive voice. This is the first lecture of level 2nd. If you don't have subscribed my channel, so first subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. So let's begin. Here the question is, what is active and passive voice? असल में active और passive voice है क्या? People know how to change active sentences into passive sentences, but they don't know what it is. कि असल में ये है क्या? So voice means sound. So we are hearing different sounds. Sounds of birds, sounds of humans, sounds of animal. So these are sounds. So voice means sounds. And in grammar, voice tells us. Grammar में voice हमें ये बताती है whether the subject. It tells about the subject. Whether the subject is doer or receiver of an action. आया एक जुमले में एक सब्जेक्ट एक काम करता है या काम को रिसीव करता है. आया जुमले में एक सब्जेक्ट एक काम डायरेक्टली करता है या काम को रिसीव करता है. So here I wrote two sentences in example. You will know it easily. She writes a letter. So we have mainly three parts in a sentence. One we call subject, verb, and object. SVO, the structure of English sentence. So we also call it agent, action, and receiver. In a sentence, when the subject is the doer of action, so that sentence is considered an active voice. जिस सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट डूअर ऑफ एक्शन हो तो उस सेंटेंस को हम एक्टिव कंसिडर करेंगे. सो हियर आई हैव अनदर सेंटेंस. ऑब्जेक्ट इन प्लेस ऑफ सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड सब्जेक्ट इन प्लेस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. In passive voice, subject and object will replace their places. Object subject की जगह आ जाएगा और subject object की जगह जाएगा. Got it? So in this sentence we also write this is the receiver, action and agent. दूसरे सेंटेंस में एजेंट एक्शन को रिसीव करता है. So those sentences in which agent receives the action will be in passive voice. So you must know that both the sentences carry same meaning. So here is one point, you can see it. Active voice will start, active sentences will start from agent, action, receiver. And passive sentence will start from receiver, action and agent. You can see it. Subject, verb, object, agent, action, receiver. Receiver, action and agent. If you have any question regarding active and passive voice, you can ask in comment section. Like my video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Thanks a lot.